This episode follows a fresh path through Canary Island spices, blending bold paprika, gofio, and citrus to elevate lean meats and light pastries. Viewers learn how to balance heat with heartier fats, while notes on antioxidants, fiber, and essential minerals highlight each ingredient's health perks. Step by step, the host demonstrates lean pork skewers with citrus rub and a gluten-free almond pastry, sharing quick swaps to fit various dietary needs. The tips cover layering spices for depth without excess salt, plus simple prep tricks to save time in busy kitchens. Viewers are invited to experiment boldly, measuring flavors as they boost nutrition and culinary confidence.